today to show y'all how I got these lashes on. Let me get close for y'all so I can see. Can y'all see that? Period. So I'm going to show y'all how to do this lash on camera because I already did this one off camera. I might add some more lashes to this one because I mean I'm going for a simple look, but I want it to be a little more fuller than this. Because now that I'm looking at it, you can't really tell that I have one lashes on this side. Or can you? If you can, let me know in the comment section down below that you could already see my lashes before I put on extra ones. But I'm probably going to gas this one up a little bit because I want it to be a little more popping. But alright, let's get into this video. So what you're going to need is somewhere to put your lash glue. I just put mine on the back of my scrunchie holder. You're gonna need a tweezers so you can, you know, get it under your lash. And you're going to need some Arendelle Mega Flare lashes. This is the ones I use. They have different types of lashes. They have Mega Flare, they have regular flare, they have short, medium, long. They got blonde. I even think they got like a light brown. They got like this. I have black because my lashes are black. They have whole different range of colors. I found them at my local beauty supply store, so yeah, they were only $2.99 for a 52 pack. That gives both my lashes done. So like I said, I'm going to add some more to this lash right here, and then I'm going to show y'all how to do this one. All right, so I filled in a few of the gaps on this lash. Can y'all see? All right, so I didn't mention that you also need a mirror. I have a magnifying mirror. It is 3 times. I use this because who can see on a regular handheld mirror or just a regular mirror in their eye? I'll wait. Oh, okay. So like I said, y'all should get a magnifying mirror. And yeah, I like to actually like pluck all the ones that I think I'm going to use for my lashes first, because it's tedious having to like trying to pluck it off because it's glued down like a little glue, whatever. So it's tedious having to like pluck it off. So I just pluck all the ones I want first. I probably use 10 on my first lash hole. And I love, when I say I love this tweezers, I love these tweezers. These are actually like lash tweezers. Oh man, they are literally amazing. All right, so I plucked mine off. I left them on the thing, but I just, you know, got them on there so I can just grab and go. So I like to take like a dime size, not even a dime, like a drop size amount of my, it's called Lash Tight Dark Adhesive by Arendelle lash glue. I like to use this lash glue. And I pluck a little dot size amount. And I just dip my lash in there. Let me show you. That's what I do. I just take my little lash. I don't know if you can see that. And I dip it. I dip it like this. I dip the top part in the glue because I like to do my lashes underneath. I like to put it underneath my real lash so that my real lash is sitting on top and it's a little less detectable. So I take it like this, and then I want to look to the side at my mirror, but hopefully y'all can see. All right, so this, well, I'm just gonna look at the camera, try to look in the camera and do it. What I do is I try to put it in the middle of my lash, and I do grab my lash like that, and I try to put it in the middle. Yeah, I can't see, so I just come back to y'all. I put it as close to my lash line as I possibly can stand. But you don't want to put it in your eye, or you don't want to put it like on your waterline because you'll be crying for days. So I blow it a little bit. I put the lash glue on there, blow it a little bit, get it a little tacky, blow it, or I just fan it. So once I get it on there, I try to like fan. When in doubt, fan it out. So I just fan it out until I feel like it's secure, and then I move to the next one. Now I don't put my lashes close to each other until I'm getting done, until I'm like doing it for fullness. When they, like I said, when they're all clustered, when you put them together like that and you don't have like, you don't give them enough time to dry or whatever, they all typically come off in a clump, and that's not what you want. If you're gonna lose a lash, you like to lose one lash, not a whole 6. So yeah. All right, so now I got 2 on. I'm foolish. And once you get the hang of it, it goes pretty quick. I don't have to blow my lash anymore because typically once the glue is on there for a long time, it starts to get sticky. It starts to get tacky itself, and it's able to get on your lash very quick. So yeah. All right, so when I was saying that I place my lashes in different positions, so I don't know if you can see this good, but so I have one right here, one right there, and one right there. I don't like to put them close together because, like I was saying earlier, when you put them close together, when they fall out, they all fall out together. You would like to just replace one lash, excuse me, not replace a whole group of lashes. As far as putting lashes close to like inner my eye, because these are long lashes, I typically, like, this is my first time getting the mega flare, so I typically get small, medium, large lashes, and I get like a different pack for each or whatever, and I put small, medium, large. But now I'm just gonna put one closer into my eye, like not right here but like right there, just so that I'll have it and it flares over, so it looks like it's the whole lash. It's pretty cool. It's cool. It's not biggie. Go around my lash line like this and pat, 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 pat. Make sure all of them are going up. All right, and so we are in there like swimwear, baby. It's the lashes for me. What's it for y'all? It's the lashes for me. Let me show y'all these lashes one more time. It's the lashes for me. That's all it is, the lashes for me. Well, thank you guys for watching this video, and tune in next week to be live with Les one more time.